Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be going over a quick and easy adjustment I feel that gets overlooked often in beginners. The adjustment I'm talking about is white balance. Now white balance can have the effect of making the image look better or making the image look worse. It's all artistic freedom, so they say. I myself didn't bother adjusting white balance for a couple of years. I just downloaded Lightroom and I went, and I didn't bother looking at any tutorials or anything. So when I came across the tutorial that talked about adjusting white balance, it got me thinking, how many images have I taken where I thought looked great? Now, I have 3 images and I'm going to be going over. The first 2 are images that I shared as final product to my Instagram and to my Facebook. And the third is an example of how the white balance can change the feel of the image. They have all been edited, so the only thing left is to adjust the white balance. Now, I usually adjust the white balance first, but for the sake of this tutorial, I left it for the end. This first shot was from Germany. It's taken in Heidelberg Castle, and when I first processed this image, I thought it looked great. I didn't have any problems with it, so I went and exported it. So I came back after watching that tutorial and just came over here to the white balance adjustment and clicked auto. You can see how this image isn't orange anymore. It looks clear, it looks a lot better to me. And I just thought, wow, there must be a ton of other images that I've been missing this on. So I have another one here. This was taken in Zion National Park in Utah. And this one isn't too bad. It's just a little too warm after looking at it. After letting my eyes rest, I came back and I thought it was just a little too warm. So again, I came back up here to auto and I made the slight adjustment, and I like where it looks in auto. You don't have to go to auto every single time. You can make the adjustment manually by sliding this, or just by clicking on it once and adjusting your scroll wheel. But I usually just like to go to auto, and if I feel there's any adjustments that need to be made, I'll make the adjustments. This third image is from South Lake in Bishop, California. Just a little background information on this image. It was cold in the morning, it was 24 degrees, and you can see that from this image. There's snow in there, it's blue, it just feels cold. But this doesn't give off the image how I captured it there. Coming here to auto, you can see it adds some more color into the clouds. This is how I remember the image a little more accurately, but I'm not 100% happy with this as it is. So I'm going to come here and I'm just going to click and I'm going to scroll down. So I'm going to lower it from 7,500 to 7,000. And what this did is it took away some of the warmness in the mountains here, and it just brings a little bit more of that cool feeling in there. So once again, this was as shot in auto, and then just bringing it down to cool it down just a little bit more. It's a subtle change, but I feel it adds a little bit more to it. So like I said, you don't have to go to auto every single time. I normally just go to auto and then I make the adjustment. Or sometimes if I know, like for a Milky Way image, I know what the ballpark is, so I'll just go straight there and then I'll adjust accordingly. Just remember that Lightroom doesn't get it right every single time, so feel free to make any adjustments even after clicking auto. And that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.